friends, welcome to our first episode for 2018. We hope you had a great holiday and that you are ready for the new year. If you have not been here before, welcome to our channel. And please look around, we are sure you're going to find something you will enjoy or find useful for your own builds. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please do so. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. It's continuing to be the deep freeze here, so what we're going to talk about today is how we don't always have to do things the same way that were always done, and how sometimes we can improve them while we're making them actually easier. So stick around and we'll show you what we're talking about. So the traditional way to end a wood floor is to have a bull nose front, this is called a bull nose, and then mat the carpet on it. But again, even the best carpet installer will leave some areas and the carpet doesn't look perfect ever. I mean, this is a professional carpet installation, I didn't do it, it never looked good to me. But this is a traditional way to do it. In one of our episodes we saw you how we took our landing from carpet to wood, hardwood, and I wanted to find a better way, something that looked better to me than this, to make that transition. So let's show you how we did it. So as you can see here, instead of just finishing with the carpet there, we took a strip of wood that it is the same species as the hardwood floor. We matched the stain, and that creates, I think, what do you think, a better transition. It makes it look
more finished,
richer,
more finished,
and more finished, and I really like that. And I will probably do it on that staircase down there as well. Much better than I like the so-called traditional way. So this is my tip for today. This is easy to do, it looks very, very finished, it's very easy to do. And I hope you like this short trick. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please remember that you have until January 15th to post a comment in our videos, subscribe and like in order to be considered for our giveaway. And if you do not know what the giveaway is, I'm going to put a card up here so you can watch that episode. And again, the criteria are: you have to be a member of our channel, you have to like at least one of our videos, and you have to leave a comment. So I hope you win. It's a very exciting little item that we're giving. Actually, it's not little or small, but we hope you're going to visit back with us. As a reminder for anyone that is new, on Wednesdays we talk about tips and tricks, and it's a little more of a vlogging type of thing. We're talking about car repair and other house projects, and on Sundays usually there is a build. We're definitely going to do our best to have a project for this weekend. I'm not sure, do you know what the weather is like?
I don't know yet.
But as you might have watched on the last episode, we bought a heating solution for our garage that should allow us to build, don't you think?
Yeah.
So we're very, very excited about this. In any case, thank you for visiting our channel, and we're looking forward to a great 2018. Enjoy the new year and enjoy your week. Take care.